We provide high-quality floor wooden tiles in Dubai. Our floor wooden tiles are made from 100% natural wood, and we use a variety of different wood types to create our designs. We are a leading manufacturer and supplier of floor wooden tiles in Dubai. We offer high-quality, durable and long-lasting wooden tiles. We provide high-quality floor wooden tiles in Dubai for both residential as well as commercial projects. We also offer installation services for all our products, so you can get them installed by professionals or do it yourself at home. The company has been in the business of providing high-quality floor wooden tiles for over a decade. The company is committed to providing customer satisfaction, and we strive to be one of the most reliable and trustworthy floor wooden tile suppliers in Dubai.